Now, for long, scientists have said that giving people a single course of COVID-19 vaccine might not be sufficient in the long term. They say booster and even annual vaccinations could be needed. Vaccine manufacturers are already preparing for new rounds of the shots. They say that they are certain of the need for boosters. Booster vaccines are routinely used for some infectious diseases, mostly to top up immunity. So, will people need booster vaccines? Well, the answer depends on two major factors here. Firstly, on how quickly the immunity fades. Secondly, on whether the current vaccines protect against existing and future variants. Now, during a recent press meet, Chief Medical Advisor to US President Dr. Anthony Fauci said public health and not pharmaceutical companies will decide the need for booster dose for COVID vaccines. He said that the researchers will be able to predict when protection is low and when breakthrough infections are likely. Meanwhile, as concerns over emerging variants grow, leading vaccine manufacturers Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson confirmed that they are developing booster shots. Moderna hopes to have a COVID booster shot available for Americans by fall this year. Earlier this year, National Institutes of Health began testing a variety of offerings from Moderna to use as a third shot. Now, Moderna CEO said that the firm expects to submit booster shot data to regulators in about a few months. And executives at Pfizer and BioNTech also said that people will most likely need a booster shot of COVID vaccine within 12 months of getting fully vaccinated. They also said that it is likely that people will need to get additional shots each year. In February, Pfizer began studying a booster dose in some people who received their first shots 6 months ago. Last month, as expert panel of Drugs Controller General of India permitted Bharat Biotech to give a third dose of its COVID vaccine, Covaxin, to few volunteers in its clinical trials. The third dose is to be given 6 months after the second dose to those who participated in the clinical trials to see if this could boost the body's immunity against the coronavirus for a longer period. Chinese vaccine makers Sinovac and Sinopharm are looking at mixing their jabs and also into whether a booster shot could help protect better against the virus. Sinovac is testing a third booster shot in China-based clinical trial. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.